Good morning guys, so what's up? This is Shubhadeep and you're watching the Cruise Life. So guess what? So right now I'm at the Harley Davidson showroom, as you can see behind me. And yeah, so I just came here for a test ride. Actually I wanted to do a test ride of Iron 83. So I asked them about if they have the Iron 83 or not. I guess they does not have the model of Iron 83 for a test ride. So let's see which bike does they provide. Yeah, so let's go. This is the bike which I'm gonna ride right now, and he's taking that up. Just look at the damn bike right now. This is just look at this bike. This is the Fat Bob, Harley Davidson Fat Bob. I have to ask the exact price of that. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so guys, finally did the test ride and it was an awesome experience and it was mind-blasting to ride the Fat Boy. And I asked the price, it was like 17,50,000, and yeah, so it was a 1200cc bike and it was fucking awesome. It was the best ever experience I ever had in my life, and I would recommend you guys to come up here and just give a test ride or try out once this Fat Boy. I am just like stunned right now. I'm just stunned right now. It's like the best ever experience I ever did in my life. And yeah, so this is it. This is the thing I wanted to do for such a long time, and I finally did it. And yeah, so I tried to show you as much as footage as I could. I just couldn't show you the total vlogging experience because I didn't bring my helmet with me. It was totally unplanned. I just called the showroom and they said that you can come and take a test ride. And yeah, so I hope you like my videos, and please support this guy. Yeah, your support is all that I needed. So I'll try to keep on entertaining you guys with more of this kind of videos, and I hope you liked it. Please support me by subscribing my channel, liking, commenting and sharing with your friends and all. And yeah, your support is my thing. So that's the thing. Love you guys. So this is the end of the vlog as of now, and so more videos will be coming soon. I hope you like it. So signing off, this is Shubhadeep from the Cruise Life. Bye bye.